Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is another InLoveArt shop haul as well as samples. I am enjoying creating these videos. I love bringing them to you guys to be able to show you the dies that they offer, how they cut, what they look like when you cut them. So yeah, let's get into the video because I have quite a bit to show you, and I have kept them inside the packaging, the cuts, because I'm learning, you guys. I'm learning every time I create these videos what's easier for me, because when I pile up all the papers, it's one big mess. But this time I've cut the dies and I've placed them inside the packaging with the die so nothing gets lost. So we're going to start off with this die. In fact, I am going to pull up the email because I'm going to have all the links down below, but I want to grab the names of these dies before we get into it. So let me see what we have here. Okay. You guys, I love working with InLoveArt Shop. They are so sweet, so amazing, and I've 100% enjoyed working with them. So definitely go check them out. I'm also going to have a coupon code so that you guys can get 15% off, I think it is. Let me see here. Yep, you got a 15% off coupon code that I'll have linked down below. But let's get into the dies. So we got this one, which is Stackable Hearts nesting die. And let me separate the papers. These are the dies that you get. So I'm going to put them, let me move this way. This is your largest one. Put them in order so that you can see the shade, the different sizes as they go down. And then there's this one, and then this little tiny one. And now I'm going to show you guys what they look like cut up. So here is the large one. Look how pretty. I love the stitching, you guys. Love it. You see that? And then the little scalloped openings. So cute. It's like a little heart doily. And then the next size is about the same. It has the openings, because you will see that the openings with the tinier ones start closing up. Then there's this one. And then we have the next two sizes. Those two. Don't they look adorable? They get cuter and cuter as smaller as they get. And then here are the last two sizes. And as you can see, because it gets smaller, your little loops get tiny as well. You see that? But they're still super cute. You can layer them on top of each other, put a little foam tape, make a little embellishment. That's what I plan on doing for Christmas. I'm going to be doing these cute little heart embellishments that are like layered. So definitely stay tuned for that. I'm going to be using a lot of these dies that I have been receiving from them on my Christmas series. So stay tuned for a bunch of projects with all these dies. So this is, you guys, as I mentioned, the Stackable Hearts nesting die. And everything will be linked down below. So you guys can definitely go pick it up. This, to me right now, is a must. I love this one so much. This one as well. You guys know I am a huge fan of doilies. And I think this is, let me see if this is the one that I think it is. Yep, this is the mesh weaving circle cutting die. And I love this one so much, you guys. So these are the three pieces that you get. You get this one, which you can totally use like a border or like a pocket or like a belly band. And then you get these two circles, which can be used like doilies and layered on top. Just layering. Look at this. Is this not a cute little pocket? You can like close it up here with two brads, and then you have a little cute pocket or belly band, and you can put your cards. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. And it, you guys, it cuts so good. You know how some of them you just got to keep poking at them? These are so good. And I'm not just saying that, they really are. I've told you guys when I've struggled with some of their dies, and when I'm not struggling, I will also let you know that. Look at the circles. These are beautiful. To just layer on the bottom and build up your layers. Look how pretty. You can put like a rosette on top of this and it's an extra layer. So cute. I love these. And these are the mesh weaving circle cutting dies. I'll put these back. I don't want to misplace anything. And then we have this one, which I think it's a frame die. It is, let's see. Yep, hollow frame. Look how cute this is, you guys. See this? This is your die. It's a great size. Let's check out the size on this. So it's about 3 inches. So it's 3 by 3. Look how cute. I love this. In front of a card, this is going to look so pretty. And there's your die. And this is how pretty it cut, you guys. Like one straight cut. You guys see that? And this is the hollow frame die. It's a perfect time to purchase, you guys. 15% off. And then we have this one, which is, let's see, which one is this one? This is the stackable, I'm trying to open them with you. Yep, stackable spiral pattern circle dies. And the good thing about these dies, you guys, you get, not only do you get the circles that it cuts out, which is this one and this one. You see, I had a little circle. I don't know where I put it, but there's another little circle, the smaller one. And then you get these cute little cuts. So these are super intricate, but so fun. Look at that. It's kind of like a rope detail. You see that? And then you have this one. So you can like layer them up, and these are your dies. And this is pretty big, you guys. And then look at this one. I love this because it kind of looks like a film strip. It's so cool. So these are the stackable spiral pattern circle dies. So, and that's what they look like, you guys. These will look super cool, like in gold. And then you like layer them. And then you have a perfect circle cut that you can also use. Don't be wasteful of anything, you guys. Everything is able to be used. Even the little parts that get cut out in dies, I always use them as well. I find something to do with them. So that's that one. And then we have, this is I think the ornament. Yep, the stitched ornament nesting dies. I cannot wait to play with this. You get so many dies. So you get this super large size, which is the one that I cut. And look how big it is. And then you get a bunch of different sizes. And you can make shakers out of them, you guys. This is definitely one that I will be using in my series. Is that not the cutest? You can make like little ornament. I want to see, let me see something here. And make sure that this is the ornament. Yep, this is the ornament one. And you can make the little, kind of like a shadow box, you guys. You cut the second one on top and you make like a little shadow box like that. I cannot wait to play with this one. You make a little hole on the top and you make your little ornament. Super cute. And you can make even a little tiny one, you guys. Like that. Is that not cute? I cannot wait to play with this one. I just wanted to show you guys the shape and how cool it looks and how you can put pictures inside. You can make it a shaker. You can make it like a shadow box theme. So many ideas. This is another must-have in my videos. You guys know that I love all the dies they send me, but I do also have my must-haves. And so far in this video, it is the heart nesting dies and this ornament nesting die. So I'm definitely going to be making some ornaments, and one of you guys are going to be winning some ornaments. And then we have this one. Let's see here. I'm literally looking at my computer screen to try to figure out because I don't like, this is a round envelope. So let me show you guys. Let me open it up. Okay, this is what your die looks like. You guys see that? So you fold it up and it becomes a little envelope that you can put your stuff inside. Is that not cute? And you can like stitch around it. I'm trying to see the options that they have. Yep, you can like put little stitching on it right here and stitch all the way around, and it's a little round envelope. Then you could put stuff inside. That is so cute and different. I forgot I got this one. And I made this floral one. So there's this one. I can't wait to play around with this one. I need to like sit down and really play around with these dies and see what I come up with. Because sometimes, you guys, I use dies a total different way than what they're meant to be. Then we have this one, which is, let's see what we got here. This is a lace rose decoration die. Let me open it up, make sure that I'm, yep, lace rose decoration die, and it's kind of like this. And look how pretty that is. Is that not cute? You could put like a sentiment here. This will be cute on a bag topper. I love the detail. Is that not the cutest? And they're super affordable, you guys. I love InLoveArt shop because, one, I don't have any issues with their shipping. Two, I love their prices. They are super affordable. They're in the US. You get your dies super fast. The next one is this super cute balloon die. Look at this. Isn't that the cutest? And like, look at that. I love this for a birthday card. So cute. This one is adorable. And this one, I think they have it under, let me see, do they have it under balloon die? Because their names are different. Star balloon die. Yep, star balloon die. So that's that one. And then the last one, you guys, is another one of my favorites. I don't have any candle dies, so I did get the little candle die set. And I did break it apart because it comes together. So you get your bag pieces, which look like this. And that is what I cut here. Oh, they're stuck together. So these are your bag pieces. And then you get like your front part, which are your to layer. So there's that one. There's this one. And then there's this one. And then you put those right on top of your candle. Well, this one will go here, the smaller one. Look how cute that looks, you guys. And there's this one, which is, I think, the biggest one. And then look at this one. I love these. I plan to make a cute little birthday card with these. I love them so much. I definitely had to pick these up. But yeah, you guys, that is my video for today. Let me know down below which one is your favorite die. Are you going to be picking some up? Thank you, InLoveArt shop, for continuously working with me. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to check out the links, you guys. Everything will be down below. Bye.